Imagine walking into a room and instantly knowing who had been there, what they ate, and what mood they were in. For dogs, this isn't imagination, it's their reality. Their sense of smell is so acute, so profoundly developed, that it grants them access to a world of information we humans can barely comprehend. Have you ever wondered how they track scents over long distances, or how they can detect subtle changes in our bodies? Let's delve into the science behind a dog's incredible nose and uncover the secrets it holds. Dogs navigate their world primarily through their noses, experiencing a symphony of scents that elude our limited human perception. Their sense of smell is estimated to be 10,000 to 100,000 times more powerful than ours, opening up a realm of olfactory information we can only dream of accessing. This essay will embark on a journey into the fascinating world of canine olfaction, exploring the intricacies of their noses and the remarkable capabilities this sense affords them. Dogs have up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This allows them to detect even the faintest of scents, making their noses incredibly sensitive. They can even distinguish between different types of scents, such as those left by different animals or people. This ability is not just useful for finding food or tracking prey, but also for detecting diseases and other medical conditions. Dogs have been trained to detect cancer, diabetes, and even COVID-19, showcasing their incredible olfactory capabilities. In law enforcement, dogs are used to detect drugs, explosives, and even missing persons. Their noses are so powerful that they can even detect substances that are hidden or buried. The world of scents that dogs experience is truly a marvel, one that we can only begin to understand. As we continue to study and learn from these amazing animals, we gain a greater appreciation for the incredible abilities of our canine companions. So next time you see a dog sniffing around, remember that they are exploring a world of scents that we can only imagine. Their noses are truly one of nature's most remarkable creations, and we are lucky to have them by our side. While humans primarily rely on sight and sound, dogs experience the world in a symphony of smells. Their noses are their primary tool for understanding and navigating their environment. Their world is painted in olfactory landscapes, rich with information about their surroundings, other animals, and even our emotions. Each scent tells a story, revealing details that are invisible to the human eye. We might notice the aroma of freshly baked bread, but a dog can detect each ingredient, its freshness, and even the subtle scent of the baker's hands on the dough. This heightened sense of smell allows them to experience the world in a way that is both intricate and profound. This difference in sensory perception shapes their entire reality, influencing how they interact with the environment and each other. For dogs, every sniff is a new discovery, a way to gather information and make sense of their surroundings.
Imagine trying to understand a movie by only listening to the soundtrack. You'd miss out on the visuals, the expressions, the scenery, all the elements that complete the story. That's a glimpse into how differently humans and dogs perceive the world. While we rely heavily on our vision to interpret our surroundings, dogs use their noses to decode the myriad of scents that fill their world. Our reliance on vision limits our understanding of the complex chemical communication happening right under our noses. We often overlook the rich tapestry of scents that dogs are constantly aware of. Dogs, on the other hand, can detect minute changes in our scent, alerting them to fluctuations in our hormones, signaling everything from fear and excitement to the presence of disease. This ability makes them not only incredible companions, but also valuable allies in fields like search and rescue, medical detection, and therapy. Their noses are finely tuned instruments, capable of detecting scents at incredibly low concentrations. This remarkable sense of smell is a testament to the unique and powerful ways dogs experience the world around them. So, the next time you see a dog with its nose to the ground, remember that it's not just sniffing. It's exploring, learning, and understanding its world in a way that we can only begin to imagine.
The secret to a dog's extraordinary sense of smell lies in the intricate design of its nose. Unlike humans who breathe and smell through the same airway, dogs have a dual-purpose nasal passage. When they inhale, air is directed to two separate areas, one for respiration and another dedicated solely to olfaction. This specialized olfactory region is lined with a vast network of scent receptors, far exceeding the meager 5 million found in humans.
Depending on the breed, a dog can have anywhere from 125 million to 300 million scent receptor cells, covering an expansive surface area within their nasal cavity. To put this into perspective, if a dog's olfactory epithelium were laid flat, it would be larger than its entire body surface area. This intricate network of receptors allows them to detect and distinguish a vast array of scents, even at incredibly low concentrations.
Their noses are so sensitive that they can detect subtle changes in the chemical composition of our breath and sweat. This incredible ability allows them to pick up on the most minute variations that we, as humans, would never notice, allowing them to identify individuals with remarkable accuracy. Whether it's recognizing their owner from a crowd or distinguishing between different people based on their unique scent, dogs have an unparalleled ability to use their noses for identification. In the medical field, dogs have been trained to diagnose diseases like cancer and diabetes. Their keen sense of smell can detect the chemical markers associated with these conditions, often before traditional medical tests can, and even predict seizures in epileptics. These extraordinary capabilities have led to the training of dogs for a wide range of tasks, making them invaluable companions for those with medical conditions. From sniffing out explosives and narcotics to assisting in search and rescue operations, dogs are indispensable in various fields. Their ability to detect substances that are otherwise undetectable by humans makes them crucial in maintaining safety and security. Narrator. Media Search and Rescue Dog in Action, Dog Searching Rubble, Dog with Search and Rescue Team. A dog's sense of smell is so refined that it can detect substances diluted to parts per trillion. This means they can find traces of materials that are virtually invisible to us. To grasp the magnitude of this ability, imagine trying to find a single drop of food coloring dispersed in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. This analogy helps us understand just how powerful a dog's sense of smell truly is. Dogs can track scents over vast distances, following trails that are days or even weeks old. This makes them exceptional trackers, capable of locating missing persons or tracking down suspects over long distances. They can follow trails that are days or even weeks old, demonstrating their incredible persistence and dedication. Their noses guide them unerringly, even when the scent trail is faint or has been disrupted by environmental factors, and even detect changes in the air pressure that signal the approach of a storm. This ability to sense atmospheric changes allows them to anticipate weather conditions, providing an early warning system for their human companions.
The remarkable olfactory abilities of dogs have been harnessed by humans for centuries, but their applications continue to expand with new research and understanding.
Law enforcement agencies worldwide rely on canine units to sniff out drugs, explosives, and even currency. Their keen noses can detect the faintest traces of these substances, even when concealed in complex environments or hidden within luggage and cargo.
Beyond law enforcement, dogs are playing an increasingly vital role in healthcare. Organizations like Medical Detection Dogs train canines to detect diseases such as cancer, Parkinson's, and malaria in their early stages, often before traditional diagnostic methods can.
These remarkable animals are providing hope and potentially life-saving early detection for countless individuals.
The sheer power and sophistication of a dog's sense of smell raise intriguing questions about its origins. Did this incredible sense evolve gradually over millennia, driven by the need to find food, avoid predators, and navigate their environment?
Or is it a testament to the intricate design of a higher power, a testament to the complexity and wonder of the natural world?
Perhaps the answer lies somewhere in between, a testament to the interplay between natural selection and the boundless creativity of nature.
Regardless of its origins, the canine sense of smell stands as a marvel of biological engineering, a constant source of fascination and inspiration for scientists and dog lovers alike. The next time you're with a dog, take a moment to observe how they interact with the world. Watch as their noses twitch and quiver, picking up on a symphony of scents invisible to you. Imagine the world through their perspective, a world painted in olfactory landscapes, rich with information and nuance. Their incredible noses grant them access to a realm beyond our human comprehension, reminding us that there is so much more to the world than meets the eye. Their keen sense of smell is a gift, one that connects them to their environment and to us in ways we are only beginning to understand. By appreciating the power of their noses, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the remarkable creatures that share our lives and the unseen world that surrounds us. The incredible power of a dog's nose is just one of the many fascinating aspects of these beloved companions. From their remarkable intelligence and loyalty to their unwavering capacity for love, there's always more to discover about the amazing world of dogs. Stay tuned for more captivating insights into the lives of our canine friends.